The DD Toolbox iPhone app is now officially available for download via iTunes. The wattage calculator uses Ohm's law to determine the actual amplifier wattage output and impedance rise of your system. You can use this function to construct a power impedance curve, which will help you optimize your system. The tone generator is able to generate any tone from 20 Hz to 20 kHz. You can use the slider or keypad to adjust the frequency. This tool can be used in conjunction with the wattage calculator to construct your power impedance curve. DD woofers in the DD box system were developed together to extract the highest efficiency from a given box volume. The DD box calculator takes the guesswork out of enclosure design by optimizing the tuning and making woofer recommendations for your music and enclosure space. From the About DD page, you have direct links to DD's tech email, Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube channel. This way you're only one tap away from a wealth of DD knowledge. The DD Toolbox also offers a flashlight toggle that can be accessed from any page of the app. The DD Toolbox was designed for one-handed use, and all tools can be accessed with a simple swipe. For more information about the DD Toolbox app or any of our other products, make sure to visit ddaudio.com.